Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel, where I provide in-depth and unbiased reviews of the latest tools on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of reciprocating saws, and I'll be sharing my top 5 picks for 2023. If you're looking for a versatile cutting tool that can handle a wide range of projects, you're in for a treat. Make sure to check the links in the description below for more information and exclusive discounts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming tool reviews. Let's jump right into it. Starting at number 5, the WOYOFFA Reciprocating Saw is a powerful and portable cordless cutting tool designed for a wide range of applications. With its brushless motor, stepless speed change, and compact design, this saw offers versatility and convenience for DIY enthusiasts. The saw's brushless motor delivers powerful cutting performance, allowing you to tackle wood, metal, and plastic materials with ease. The stepless speed change feature provides precise control over the cutting speed, ensuring optimal results for different tasks. Weighing at 39x15, 5 centimeters and featuring a compact body, the WOYOFFA Reciprocating Saw offers comfortable grip and easy handling. The saw's no-load speed of 12,000 RPM and a reciprocating stroke of 30 millimeters enable efficient and precise cutting. With its free blade change system, you can quickly swap and replace blades without the need for additional tools, enhancing usability and convenience. The saw's cutting depth of 10 millimeters in metal and 100 millimeters in wood and pipe further demonstrates its versatility. The WOYOFFA Reciprocating Saw is powered by a battery/brushless power source, providing cordless operation for maximum flexibility. The compact design and light weight make it easy to carry and maneuver in tight spaces, making it suitable for various DIY projects. For DIY enthusiasts seeking a powerful and versatile cutting tool, the WOYOFFA Reciprocating Saw is a reliable choice. Its powerful motor, free blade change system, and compact design make it a valuable addition to any toolbox. At number 4, the ONVEN Electric Reciprocating Saw is a multifunctional cordless cutting tool suitable for home DIY projects. With its brushless motor and variable speed control, this saw offers efficient cutting performance for both metal and wood materials. Weighing 2 kilograms, this reciprocating saw is lightweight and easy to handle, minimizing user fatigue during extended use. The saw's maximum cutting depth of 300 millimeters and brushless motor ensure reliable and powerful performance for various cutting tasks. The ONVEN Electric Reciprocating Saw is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, providing flexibility and convenience for users who already own batteries from the Makita tool lineup. The saw includes dual blades and an AC adapter for versatile cutting options. This electric saw is designed for simplicity and ease of use. With a large-size grip and a simple on/off switch, it is user-friendly and suitable for beginners and experienced DIYers alike. The compact size makes it easy to maneuver and store. If you're looking for a versatile cutting tool that can handle a variety of tasks, the ONVEN Electric Reciprocating Saw is a great choice. Its brushless motor, variable speed control, and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries make it a reliable and efficient tool for your DIY needs. At number 3, the WORX Cordless Reciprocating Saw is a powerful cutting tool suitable for home DIY projects. With its high-speed motor and rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this saw provides efficient cutting performance for a range of materials. Weighing 4 kilograms, this reciprocating saw is designed with a comfortable grip and ergonomic handling in mind. It allows for precise cutting with a maximum cutting depth of 100 millimeters and a no-load speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for both wood and metal applications. The WORX saw comes with a rechargeable lithium battery with 2 options, 7,500 mAh and 15,000 mAh, providing extended runtime for uninterrupted use. The battery voltage of 88 VF20V ensures sufficient power to tackle tough cutting tasks. Featuring a compact design and including 4 blades, this cordless reciprocating saw offers versatility and convenience. The inclusion of a charger and a battery kit further enhances its usability, allowing for immediate use right out of the box. Whether you're cutting through wood or metal, the WORX Cordless Reciprocating Saw is a reliable and efficient tool for home DIY enthusiasts. Its powerful motor, rechargeable battery, and ergonomic design make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. At number 2, the WS-M20 Reciprocating Saw is a portable and efficient cordless tool designed for home DIY projects. With its brushless motor and adjustable 3 orientation modes, this saw offers versatility and convenience for cutting tasks. Weighing 54 kilograms without the battery, the WS-M20 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, ensuring comfort during extended use. The saw's no-load speed of 3,300 revolutions per minute provides efficient cutting performance for wood materials. The adjustable cutting angle mode with 3 orientations allows you to adapt the saw's cutting position to various situations, providing flexibility and precision in your projects. The brushless motor ensures reliable performance and long-term durability. The WS-M20 Reciprocating Saw is compatible with the WOYOFFA battery series, providing multiple battery capacity options of 2, 0Ah, 3, 0Ah, and 4, 0Ah to suit your needs. The battery charging time of 2 hours ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to work uninterrupted. With its compact design and portable nature, the WS-M20 Reciprocating Saw is ideal for DIY enthusiasts working on various projects. Whether you're cutting through wood or engaging in general home repairs, this saw offers efficient performance, convenience, and reliability. At number 1, the WOYOFFA WS-M5 Reciprocating Saw is a versatile and powerful tool for home DIY enthusiasts. With its 20V brushless motor and variable speed control, this cordless saw offers efficient cutting performance for both metal and wood materials. Weighing 54 kilograms without the battery, the WS-M5 is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. The saw's stroke length of 30 centimeters allows for quick and precise cutting, while the customizable battery capacity options of 2, 0Ah, 4, 0Ah, and 6, 0Ah provide flexibility based on your specific needs. The saw's build quality is impressive, featuring a brushless motor that ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance. The saw's no-load RPM ranges from 0 to 3,500, giving you the freedom to adjust the cutting speed based on the material and task at hand. The WOYOFFA WS-M5 Reciprocating Saw is designed with user convenience in mind. It is easy to use and is compatible with the WOYOFFA MT Series 20V battery platform. The battery charging time of 2 hours ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to complete your DIY projects efficiently. Whether you're cutting through wood or metal, the WOYOFFA WS-M5 Reciprocating Saw is a suitable choice for home DIY enthusiasts. Its brushless motor, variable speed control, and lightweight design make it a versatile and reliable tool for various cutting tasks.